is 0, and for the other expression D, the displacement vector can be written as epsilon 0 into E and B equal to mu naught H. Okay, where B is the permittivity of the free space and this is permeability of the free space. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is mu
Yes, sir.
permeability and this is permittivity of the free space. Now, what are the equation then? Can we write? Yeah, I think it's usable. Okay. What is the first equation then? Number 1, del dot E. Go for only the difference formula. Del dot E. What is the formula then? Maxwell first equation. That is the rho is 0. Del dot E equal to rho by epsilon naught. So that will be 0. What will be the second equation? Del dot B. What will be the second equation? Del dot B. Del dot B is the magnetic monopole. Magnetic monopole doesn't exist. Whatever
0, sir.
equation, whether it is in Earth, whether it is in Mars, whether it is in Neptune, everywhere the magnetic monopole doesn't exist. So you don't have to go for any kind of media, anything about, irrespective of any media, anything. That second equation of Maxwell second equation, that is the Gauss law of magnetostatics, will be 0. Number 3. That is how to remember? Two del, that is two divergence. Now two curls. Curl of E. What is curl of E?
Del B del T minus.
Minus del B del T.
Minus of del B del T, but here B has to be written in this way. Is it clear? Yeah, B has to be written this way. Mu naught
del H del T.
LH upon del T.
Okay. And the last one, number, this one is the most critical one. Curl of B, how much? Free space. Curl of B equal to mu naught JC
JC plus del D del T. Yes, sir.
But hold on, whether there will be JC term, yes or no? Will there be any JC term? That is conduction current?
No.
Only the displacement current, yes or no? Curl of B
Yes, sir.
equal to mu naught JC plus
Del H by del T.
So this term will not remain. Term will not remain. So this one is the mu naught del D by del T. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or we can also express this expression as curl of H equal to del D by del T. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or curl of H equal to del B by del T. Why? B equal to mu naught H. Both mu naught this side and mu naught this side cancel out. So curl of H equal to minus del B by del T. Or sometimes it's also can be written as D equal to epsilon 0 E. That is epsilon into del B by del T. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll ask the second one from you.
Yes, sir.
What will be the nature, but this is the way we can represent the Maxwell equation in free space. We can represent the Maxwell equation. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, Yes, sir. here is air is a dielectric.
Sorry, yeah, air medium, that is in the free space or vacuum. That is okay. The permittivity of the free space, that is the free space. Nothing.
So, sir, why conduction current is removed?
KG guess kar le. Who is there?
Sir, it's me, Marmik.
Marmik, I told you in the last class, so that time maybe you have not understood properly. What do you mean by this? Can you remember this picture?
Oh, sir, समझ गया.
Okay, my point is that at that point of time, there is free space. Free space means if there is a free space, how can the current flows? That should be the displacement current. That will not be the conduction current, which is normal current. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. So this is the condition for the Maxwell equation in free space. Let's go to the second one, that is the conducting medium. Next one is the conducting medium. Now, we can say this one, conducting medium. Conducting medium. Second one, conducting medium. What do you mean by conducting medium?
যেখানে কন্ডাক্ট হচ্ছে
যেখানে কন্ডাক্ট চার্জ আছে
How many?
হ্যাঁ
What is the value of charge then? What is the value of charge then? Charge density.
চার্জ ডেনসিটি ডেল ডি হয়ে যাবে
It is also zero as the number of positive charge and number of seconds, number of
কন্ডাক্টিং
negative
মিডিয়াম
charge.
তো
हाँ जीरो
Rho zero होता है ना? Rho is
Oh, अच्छा, अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है.
the number of positive charge and number of negative charge are the same. So how what is the charge? Effective charge.
ডেল ইকুয়ালস টু মানে লো ইকুয়ালস টু 0
दो जीरो
হ্যাঁ
And so what is the equation then? What is the first equation? Del dot B equal to
ডেল ডট জিরো হয়ে যাবে
0. Del dot B second equation
0 হবে
ওটাও জিরো
irrespective of anything it will be 0. Okay, del dot then del dot curl of E minus del B by del C.
ডেল বি বাই ডেল টি
এটা এরকমই থাকবে
That will be the remain same. But here, if you can't write that B equal to mu naught H, it should be B equal to mu H only, nothing else. Here, you cannot write B equal to mu naught H. That is not possible. And this is the principle. You can't write. There should be mu H. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes sir yes
यस सर
What will be the last equation then? What will be the fourth equation? Curl of B. Anyone? What will be the final equation? That is the curl of B. Anyone? If you have understood that one. What is the
Sir,
equation?
Sir, mu naught JC
Mu
plus
naught
JD.
JC plus JD.
Curl of B equal to mu naught.
JC plus JD.
If it is a conductor, which will remain?
JC plus JD
JD
দুটোই তো
remains, JD
থাকবে।
removed.
JD will remove.
If it is a conductor, which part will remain?
JD will be
Sir, JC will remain and JD will be removed.
JC will remain.
JC जीरो होगा
Only this one. Is it clear to everyone?
यस
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Free space, there is no conduction current. That why the GD part was there. That is the displacement current. But here for the conductor, the current, there is no free space, no open space or like this one. So at this point of time, the curl of B equal to mu 0 J C or J. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
when
sir.
in the last position, last section, we have checked that if there is no there is vacuum, so that's why the JD term was there. But here, no JD term will be there. Only the JC term will be there. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Chalo. If it is a dielectric medium, next one. If it is a dielectric medium, what is it? If it is a dielectric medium, if it is a dielectric medium, then if it is a dielectric medium, if it is a dielectric medium, then what will happen?
सर कांस्टेंट आ जाएगा डायरेक्टली कांस्टेंट
So it will depend upon the material constant, dielectric constant.
Sir, mu naught will be replaced by
पहले बोलो
डेल
उस हिसाब से
डेल डॉट रो बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट ही হবে
क्या ना? How
Rho
what is the
থাকবে।
how many charges? Is there any free charges in the dielectric? No.
No,
Is there
sir.
any free charges?
নো স্যার
Rho equal to again 0. As write it down as there is no free charges.
yes sir
What is dielectric? I will come back to this question after maybe after 30, maybe about 10 minutes or 20 minutes if you want. Otherwise, in the next class. Dielectric is basically a special kind of insulator. Okay. When you apply some electric field, then it flows the current. Okay. I will come back to that part. It's not the definition, but I will come to that point after a little later. Okay. As there is no free charge. Okay. But now, what is the value of which one will remain, JC or JD? Anyone?
sir both
JC only.
both
सर बोथ
Sir,
will
both
be থাকবে
both
both will
sir both
What is the conductivity? If this is the charge density, the conductivity of this one. Dielectric. What is the conductivity of the dielectric medium? In normal condition, as I told you, dielectric in normal condition is a insulator, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if there is no free
Yes,
charge,
sir.
then it will be
Sir,
zero, sir.
zero.
Again, it will be zero. Can you tell me what is the relation between J and sigma? Can you tell me what is the relation between J and
J
sigma?
equals to sigma into Sigma E.
Thank you so much. J equal to sigma. This is the conduction current. Then what is the value of this one?
Zero.
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 Which part will remain then? So everything
JD
will be
part.
same.
Oh,
So
JD part.
everything will be same. Only this part will go on. That is the nothing but it in the dielectric. It will behave like a.
Sir, why sigma became zero?
If there is no free charge, then how the conductivity will come in this material?
Okay, sir.
No, my point is that what do you mean by sigma? Sigma is nothing but conductivity. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
conductivity of the insulator? What is the conductivity?
Zero.
Zero.
Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
in
Yes,
then 40% why we are not using mu?
Sorry,
Sir,
ma'am.
why JC is taken as sigma E?
Why?
Why JC is only taken as sigma E, not JD?
মনে পড়ছে না
হ্যাঁ স্যার ও হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
A
হ্যাঁ
is nothing but V equal to IR. This is nothing but the alternative from
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Renita, is it okay or should I calculate this one? It is very simple.
No, sir, yes, sir. I remember this.
Huh? Sorry, you know, na? Otherwise J equal to R equal B equal to IR. That means R equal to rho L by A, B equal to E by D. Put that one. That will be very simple. Anyone who can go for this proof. Anyone who can go for this one. B equal to IR. IR. How can we prove that one?
Sir,
Sir, R equals to
rho L by A.
Rho L by A.
Then
We'll shift rho
I by is equals to J.
right.
Rho equal to 1 by sigma.
Sir, I knew JC equals to sigma E, but my doubt was why we are taking conducting current rather than displacement current.
okay. So Ohm's law is valid for which current? The current
Conducting.
which is flowing through the normal wire, na? Ohm's law is valid only for the current which is flowing through the wire, normal wire. This C denotes that the current is flowing through the conductor, nothing else. That is the J conduction current. And if there is a free plate, then the open plate, that is a dielectric or any other free space. If the current is flowing without any kind of conductive medium, that is called that time will be considered that is the displacement current. Got my point? Everyone. If the current is flowing through the conductor, that is the common sense and common notation, that is the conduction current. If the current is flowing through between the two capacitor plate or between vacuum, there is no conducting channel, then it will be called as
Displacement current.
Okay, is it clear?
Sir,
Sir,
एक करके बोलो.
sir, then for time varying magnetic field, जो current that will be created, that will follow Ohm's law or not?
Sorry, I didn't get that one. Which one?
So for time varying magnetic field, the current that will be created means voltage difference. EMF
Induced
is produced.
EMF.
Induced EMF.
That is d5, that is E equal to
d5
minus
by
d5 by dt, that part.
Uh-huh.
That part, if you consider, look, there are two, you are not understanding that properly. Here only the dielectric medium. If the circuit is like this, JC plus JD both will remain. Okay, but here only we are working for this one. If you only watch between the dielectric medium, there is no other connection, then this one will valid. Got my point?
Okay.
We are looking only the dielectric right now.
Oh, yes. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
yes, sir, I also.
So, sir, for circuit
the
current,
dielectric, just hold on. Inside the dielectric, what will be the behavior of the Maxwell equation? That is my point. Okay. Inside the dielectric, suppose this is my dielectric. In the entire dielectric slab, what will be the expression for Maxwell equation. That is the point. That is why. What will be the expression for Maxwell equation in the conductor? That is the initial previous one. What is the Maxwell equation free space? That is the first one, like this. Okay?
So, sir, this is when there is no external EMF, sir.
Yeah, that's there.
Okay, sir.
No, maybe there are externally. Oh, look, my my point is that though if there is no external EMF, then there will be no magnet. There will be no, what I say, no displacement current. But my point is that we are only looking at the Maxwell equation at this point. We are not looking at this point.
Yes, sir.
Samajh mein?
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear
Yes,
to everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the, again, Anushrita, if you understand this one, what is the Maxwell equation for time varying, for time static field? What is the Maxwell equation for, sorry. What is the Maxwell equation for static field? Anyone? What is the Maxwell equation for static field? Number 4, made for static field. What is the Maxwell equation for static field? That both electric field and magnetic field are static. Then what will be the Maxwell equation?
রোটা তো ডেল ডি হবে।
তখন রোটা তো কনস্ট্যান্ট।
That is rho will be remain. That is del r rho del E by del Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. हाँ sir.
Then second term
ঠিক আছে
Same.
ওটা,
done. Both done. Then third term
ওটাও ঠিক আছে।
Same नहीं है.
fast করে দেবো। It is a static field.
Static, sir,
Time
not
variation-
zero
time
है.
varying.
ও আচ্ছা,
Zero.
না, না,
Oh,
না,
zero sir, zero.
zero.
Time varying.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you understand
Yes,
this one, now tell me in the last section what will be the expression?
Mu not JC.
মিউ নট জেসি।
JC sir.
Will there be another term? JD by del T by
না না
del
না,
T?
ওটা
No,
টাইম
sir.
ডিফারেন্স।
No, sir. Only
Static
JC.
as is
Del
static.
T by del T, E and look, this is nothing but static condition. Yes or no? So the Maxwell equation is static condition. There will be no time dependent part. That is the integration rho by epsilon naught. This one is obviously zero everywhere. This is curl of E equal to 0. So remember, for electrostatic field, curl of is 0. That is the electric field is a conservative. Remember, we have already proved this one in the, what I say, in the vector section. We have already proved that this is E dot dl equal to 0. That is over the entire loop that is equal to 0. That means it is the independent of the path which you are following. So it will depend on initial and final path. That is nothing but conservative force. Yes or no? Got my
Yes,
point?
sir.
Yes.
Oh, yes,
Last one, curl of B equal to mu 0 j, curl of B equal to mu 0 j, and del T by del T term will not be there. A del T by del T term only appears if that is a time varying field. So this is nothing but the Ampere, that is the Ampere circuital law in nothing but Ampere circuital law, which is nothing but Maxwell equation in static field. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to
Yes,
you?
sir. Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay.
Chalo. Now the last question, that is the how the
এটা জেসি আর জেডি কি দুটো কখনো কোএক্সিস্ট করবে না?
কেন করবে না? নরমাল এই সার্কিটটা দিই তো হচ্ছে। If there is a circuit which consists conductor and the capacitor, then
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
you can go for a normal case. Then that is a normal case. These are the peculiar case. Whatever I said told you with these 4 cases, that is nothing but the peculiar case. If there is
Yes,
a
sir.
combination, the resistance, capacitance, obviously there will be JC and JD both. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the last question, how the electromagnet propagates in a free space, that is the what is the equation of motion or the wave equation in the plane that is free space. That right now our goal is to find out plane electromagnetic wave in free space. Plane electromagnetic of free space. Plane electromagnetic wave in free space. Okay, after 2 or 3 minutes, I'll ask anyone if they don't understand. Whoever is not responding, I can check them. If they do not give me the answer, I will expel them from the class for the entire session. Okay, all of you, most of you are enjoying the winter season, so whatever I will ask, that is I will ask one by one. Okay. So what is our next goal? Plane electromagnetic wave in free space. That is plane electromagnetic wave in free space. What is our goal? Our goal is to find out the plane electromagnetic wave, or we have to find out the wave equation using Maxwell equation. Wave equation, what is the nature of the wave? What is that? Remember the general formula? For a wave, we have to express some double derivative part with it. I think some of you have know this one from it. Del 2, this is the double derivative part. Del 2x by dt square. If there is a free space, that is c square d2x by dy square. That is one space part, one time part. This is nothing but general equation. In class 12 book, any kind of book, you can see this one. This is the time varying part, and this is this one. So with this basic idea, I don't need this one. With the basic idea is that the whatever the wave equation we have to represent, that must contain a double derivative part. Okay. So how to find this one? I have only 4 Maxwell equation. Write it down. 4 Maxwell equation. The free space. So free space we have already did this one. Del dot b equal to 0. Free space. I have written free space there. Write it down. That is free space. In free space, the Maxwell equation is del dot b equal to 0. Del dot b equal to 0. Number 3 is del curl of E equal to how much? Curl of E equal to mu naught
minus mu naught del H.
Minus of
del b by del t.
That is mu naught minus mu naught
Del b by
by
t.
del t.
Not the daily study.
Okay, number 4 curl of E, that is curl of
Del
E.
into b.
Curl of B is how much? That is
Mu naught del D del T.
Epsilon naught mu naught del E by del T.
mu naught
Mu naught.
del D by del T. That is mu naught del E
sorry.
by del T. Yes or no? Is it clear, 21?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now for one of my favorite, Suttam. Suttam, for
Sir.
last 15 days you are silent. Can you please
Excuse me.
unmute yourself? Can you
Sir.
please unmute yourself? Don't give me anyone. Don't give me the answer. Suttam, what
Yes,
is
sir.
Sir, Shubhajit Shah wants to ask something.
Hurry. Raj,
Sir.
just be silent. I am asking Suttam. Suttam, how can you proceed? What is our goal? Now our goal is to go for the second order differential equation. From this equation, nobody will not give the answer, only Suttam. I will come back to one. How can we approach this kind of, from this kind of equation, how can we go for this one? If you already taken the, what I say, read the vector sum, then it is very, very easy. Otherwise, it is very, very difficult. Suttam, how to go for that one? Anyone? Suttam, only for the Suttam. Suttam, please unmute yourself and begin.
So
I don't know though. Next time onwards, don't attend my class. I'll not give you any kind of attendance. Just give me 1 second. Give any kind of attendance. I'll not give any kind of attendance from next day onwards. Sorry to you. If your performance is right now this, then it is very much impossible. Don't attend the class only for the attendance purpose. I will not give you any kind of attendance. Subranil, how can we approach this? Roll number 7. Subranil, how can we approach this kind of question? Kirti, how can you go for this one?
Sir, can we take the fourth equation and solve it further? The last equation.
Then fourth equation, fourth or third? Why the difference is coming in fourth and third? Both are called, na? Why you are not taking the third or fourth? Why you are going for the fourth? Riddhi Banerjee.
Yes, sir.
Why? How can you proceed?
I think we have to find out the curl of the electric field.
Curl of the electric field is already there. How can we achieve this kind of equation, double derivative equation? Both are, this is first order, this is first order, this is first order, this is first order. How can you go for the second order?
Sir, can I say?
No. Sagnik Biswas? Sagnik Biswas? Guys, sorry to say, if this is the performance from the next, don't expect good CA, good marks in CA2. So whatever I asked from this one, be assured that their CA marks will be very, very poor. If this is, I can't perform, I like this, that is not possible. Okay, so what will be the answer?
Laplace operator lagi do.
Laplace operator. Yes, the
ওটাও করা যেতে পারে কিন্তু
নালে
আমরা
curl
যদি
of the
ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করে দিই
electric field
মানে
যদি
পার্শিয়াল
করি
ডিফারেন্সিয়েট আবার করি
curl of electric field করলে ওখানে b টা বেরিয়ে যাবে আবার b
কার্লের
টাকে
ফর্মুলাটা যদি ফেলে দিই তাহলে
Third equation.
I got it, but can you think about this? If we take any kind of curl or divergence of any equation, that will be already depend second order.
হ্যাঁ ওই তো curl of electric field.
Okay, let's
Yes,
do for
sir,
this
curl of-
electric field. Let's do for E. Let's do for E. Let's do this for E. For electric field, that is a electric wave. There are two parts, no? Whatever that time
একটা b wave একটা e wave.
একটা B আর একটা E.
There will be two wave equation. One is electric field and one is magnetic field.
Magnetic field.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
We should do for both.
What is the electric field then? Electric field E for electric field. Okay, so take the third equation. Take the third equation and take curl of both sides. Take number
কার্ল নিয়ে ওই কার্লের ফর্মুলাটা ফেলে দিলেই তো হয়ে যাবে
third equation and curl on both sides. Curl on both sides. What will happen? Look at it. So if I take the curl of both sides, curl of E is equal to
Minus del by del.
mu not del t of curl of b.
del T of curl of B.
Curl of b.
Curl of B.
Yes, sir.
Curl of E. Yes, sir.
See, curl is nothing but a position and del T is a time, so we can get inside this one. Yes or no?
Sir mu not
Yes,
del.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is this? Curl of B. How can we express this one? A
তো ফর্মুলা
C.
E minus del square vector.
That means
Curl into curl dot E.
del dot E.
del dot E মাইনাস del স্কয়ার
Del square E.
Equal to
এবার
how
del
much?
dot E এর ভ্যালু জানি
Del dot E এর value জানি, thank you. Del dot B is
স্যার
nothing
উপরে
but
আছে স্যার ফার্স্ট
উপরে zero.
স্যার
Yeah, yeah.
উপরে ইকুয়েশন
0 0.
The zero.
mu naught epsilon naught. Yes or no? Mu
Yes,
naught
sir. Yes,
epsilon
sir.
naught.
Yes,
Del
sir.
2 E
Double
by
derivative.
dt square. Write it down using Maxwell fourth equation. Using Maxwell fourth equation. Yes or no? Using
Yes, sir.
यस सर यस सर
डेल डॉट ए जीरो हो जाएगा माइनस माइनस कट
ये
जाएगा
बेटा ये पार्ट क्या है? ये पार्ट क्या है? What is
Zero.
del dot E?
Zero.
Del dot E from Maxwell first equation, this is equal to 0. So from Maxwell first equation, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
यस सर
Then what will be the result? So what will be the result? I am using all this here. So the result will be for electromagnetic wave, that is electric wave, curl of E is equal to mu naught epsilon naught del 2 E by del T square. Hello everyone. What is this? This is nothing but del 2 E by
স্যার ফ্রিজ করে গেল.
सर वीडियो अटक रहा है
You are stuck.
सर वीडियो अटक गया है.
सर
Screen is frozen, sir.
So we can't see you.
Audio and video both is frozen.
Yes, sir.
सर एलो ना.
No.
ना আসে নি তো এখনো.
Nahi.
दिख तो नहीं रहे हैं.
बड़े
Sorry guys, there is a power up in the college, so the internet is not working. So I'm joined from my mobile, joined from Swami Ma'am's mobile. So just hold on. So my point is that maybe there will be some not clear visibility, but I think you can manage. Okay.
No,
So
sir,
for-
fine.
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. The board is.
Yeah, board is not visible properly. I understand.
No, now
Sir,
more
clear
clear.
है.
No, no, no,
Very
sir.
clear.
Yeah, the board is very clear.
Very
Okay,
clear,
okay,
sir.
thank you. Thanks to Geo. Okay, मेरा कोई credit नहीं है, चलो. Okay. Okay, my point is that curl of that is the del 2E by del square equal to mu naught by epsilon naught. Can you predict what will happen if we go for the magnetic field? What will go for the magnetic one? What will be the nature?
Curl of B.
Then it will be curl of B equal to again the same equation mu naught epsilon naught del 2E by del 2B by del 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How can we
Yes,
achieve
sir.
this one?
Yes.
How can we achieve this one? It is the same approach. Can we do
Sir,
it?
taking curl both sides.
On expectation code.
Now, take the card on both sides. Do it in your copy. Take the card in your both sides. Do it in your copy. I have already done. Do it in your copy, and tell me whether it is coming or not. Use that one.
There was a
Bolo. Raj, bolo.
there was a relation with mu naught and epsilon naught that gives us the speed of light, sir.
Yeah, I am coming. Thank you, Raj. Thank you, Raj. I am coming. Curl of this one equal to how much? That is curl of, that is mu naught del D by del T. Okay, so del D by del T. So this one is
ডিডিটি বাইরে রেখে মিউ নট বাইরে রেখে ডেল ডি করা যায় না?
minus
del square.
D is equal to, obviously, if you calculate this, del D is nothing but epsilon E. So mu naught epsilon E del 2 D by dt square. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
From Maxwell's second equation, it is 0, and this is from Maxwell's. This is del square V. So I have written this. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now compare this. This is the general equation. Okay, general equation for a wave in free space. So the wave moving is the light. If it is the light, if it instead of light, if it is another kind of thing, say it is not like this. This is for sound and another thing. Then the equation should be del 2x by dt square into v square del 2x by dt2. This is the general. This is for light, and this is for anything which is traveling with the velocity v. Now my point is that, can you compare these two equations? Can I say that v square
ভি
is
স্কয়ারটা মিউ নট এপসাইলন নটের মতো।
no
C is equal to 1 by rho naught.
1 by
আচ্ছা,
mu
আচ্ছা,
naught
আচ্ছা।
epsilon naught.
yes or no?
Mu naught epsilon.
It should be equal to
Sir, 1 by v square হবে।
Square
One
नहीं
by
होगा
v
सर।
square হবে ওটা।
Sir, V is equal to
1
1
by
by
হ্যাঁ স্যার, শুধু ভি হবে, শুধু ভি।
শুধু v হবে, স্কয়ারটা হবে না। স্কয়ারটা হবে না।
हाँ तो
স্কয়ারটা হবে না।
So v square square 1 by mu under root
V
mu naught
is
into
equals
epsilon
to
naught.
v equals to হবে actually
yes,
V
yes.
equals.
Now look at this. This is equal to v equal to root over mu naught epsilon naught. Okay, my point is that if you put the value of mu and epsilon, what is the value of mu and epsilon? What is the value of mu naught and epsilon?
কত মিউ নট 4 পাই
4
10 to the
pi
power
10 to the
minus
minus
7
7 and
Epsilon naught 8.5 10 to the power minus 12.
That is mu equal to 4 pi, mu naught into 4 pi epsilon naught. Then you will put that one. Then it will come 3 of the order of 3
10 to the power 8 meter per second.
What is
Speed
this?
of light.
Speed of light.
Speed of light.
Speed of light.
Speed of light.
Yes.
Plane electromagnetic wave propagate in the free space with the speed of light. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
There
sir.
will be
sir.
there will be sums from this question. That what is the period? What is the equation of what is the velocity of the electromagnetic wave? And they can ask you for what is the velocity of the electromagnetic wave in different media. Say suppose they they ask you what will be the wave equation or the speed of the wave in the dielectric medium. Then what should you do? If there is a dielectric medium is given and they ask you what is
So
the
instead of mu naught, we will write mu.
মিউ আর ই হয়ে যাবে।
the permittivity of the
Yes, sir. Yes.
permeability of the that medium and permittivity of the that space. Okay, as simple as that.
Sir,
Is
we
it
will
clear
also
to
use the
you?
dielectric constant.
Huh? Is it-
Means we will also use dielectric constant, or we will like
No,
just
no. Dielectric constant is different. Dielectric constant is epsilon r equal to epsilon by epsilon naught.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is nothing but the permittivity of that space. One is permeability, one is permittivity. Permittivity is for the electric field and the magnetic field permeability. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
The permittivity of that space in the space in which we are working. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes sir
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
স্যার আর ই বাই বি ইকুয়ালস টু সি এর ফর্মটা
एक बोलो
ই বাই বি ইকুয়ালস টু সি এর যে ফর্মটা
हाँ দরকার নেই, একদম সিম্পল, এখান থেকে প্রুভ করা যায়, বাট ইউ ডোন্ট নিড ফর দ্যাট ওয়ান। We can go for lots of things, that is, E and B are when E or B are acting with each other, then the direction will be perpendicular to each other. E cross H equal to one kind of parallel perpendicular direction, which you don't need for your syllabus.
ও আচ্ছা,
And lots of things, pointing vector and any other multiple things are there in the book, but whatever I told you in the class, that is more than sufficient for the semester purpose. Okay? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Go
sir,
ahead.
general equation এ d2x by dt square equals to 1 by v square হবে তো?
Can one
Sir,
by
general equation লিখেছেন।
d2x by
Sir,
dt
নিচে 1 by v square হবে, তবেই তো v equals to 1 by।
গরু কোথাকার, এইটাই তো লিখেছি, এটা t স্কয়ার, এটা v স্কয়ার, তার মানে এদিকে
হ্যাঁ
1
স্যার,
by
v স্কয়ারটা 1 by v square হবে তো?
কেন? This side is this side how much? Dx by dt square, and this side is this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is this? This is this side. So can I write this one? Del 2x by dy square is equal to 1 by v square into d2x by dt square.
আচ্ছা।
Yes,
Sir, yes, sir.
Very well. Okay. Is there any problem regarding this one? So otherwise,
No, sir.
I'll stop the session. Maybe I'll
No,
go
sir.
for few discussion, right?
স্যার একটা ডাউট ছিল।
দাঁড়াও এক মিনিট। সত্যম পালিয়েছে, ওকে বকেছি বলে ও পালিয়েছে, গুড, ওকে পরে দেখছি, পরে কল করছি। ওকে মাই, সো দিস ইজ দ্য ইকুয়েশন, এন্ড দেন বলো, ডাউট বলো।
স্যার যখন আমরা ডাইলেকট্রিক মিডিয়ামে বার করছিলাম না, মানে তো স্যার তখন মানে ইএমএফ ওয়াইজ তো শুধু ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট কারেন্টটাই থাকা উচিত, কেন কন্ডাকশন কারেন্টটা নিচ্ছি?
ডাইলেকট্রিক মিডিয়ামে কন্ডাকশন কারেন্ট নেই তো। ডাইলেকট্রিক মিডিয়ামে ইন্ডিয়া কন্ডাকশন কি ইকুয়েশন কি লিখেছে?
মানে জেসি
মিউ নট জেডি আছে ধরে,
ডিসপ্লেসমেন্টই তো আছে।
ডিসপ্লেসমেন্টই আছে, ভুল লিখেছে।
স্যার আমরা জেসি ইকুয়ালস টু সিগমা ই নিয়েছিলাম,
সিগমা ই ইকুয়াল টু 0
জিরো হয়ে গেছে।
Sigma equal to 0. AC equal to sigma E equal to 0. So in dielectric, the last term will be curl of E equal to minus, that is del D by del T.
ওকে স্যার।
বলো। Okay, sorry. So my point is, Alan, you can go for we have already applied for that. They will within few they said that within few weeks they will insert that one. Otherwise, in the meantime, there is write it down. There is a option BTech. You can opt for that one. We will
স্যার আমি তো
আমি CSC IML করে দিয়েছি।
হ্যাঁ আমিও
CSC IML করে দিয়েছি।
Don't worry, whoever already applied, done. The next part, who wants to go for that one, go for BTech. If not, wait for few days. Maybe they have said, they told us that it will be updated within 2 to 3 weeks. You can apply for that one also. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
স্যার আমার একটা প্রশ্ন ছিল।
কি বলো?
বলছি যে লাইব্রেরির বইগুলো কি আমাদেরকে সাবমিট করে দিতে হবে?
বহুদিন আগে বলে দিয়েছি কোশ্চেন, বহুদিন শোনো না ভালো করে, সেই জন্য I told you multiple times that is the 21 is last date is written, but as the years, it is the book from the book bank. So book bank book is for the entire semester. However, your semester is not over yet. So whenever the semester exam will be done, you have to submit those book bank books after that. Got my point? Is it clear to everyone?
মানে যে চারটে বই আমাদেরকে দিয়েছে।
Yes, sir.
সেটাই তো বুক ব্যাংক, চারটে বই দিয়েছে, সেটাই তো বুক ব্যাংক। চারটের জায়গায় কটা দেবে?
মানে এছাড়া যে তিনটে আরো কার্ড আছে, সেটা যে বই মানে যে বইটা আমরা নিতে পারবো আরো তিনটে বই, তো সেটা তো আর মানে ইয়ে করতে পারবো না, মানে সেটা তো মানে রিনিউ করা
you have to submit after every 15 days, that's it.
सर बुक लेने कब आ सकते हैं सर?
कभी भी आ जाओ, कोई भी वीकडेज में आ जाओ।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
2 बजे के अंदर आना, शनिवार सैटरडे और संडे में आता ना, ठीक है? चलो
सर मूक का एक चीज पूछना था।
क्या पूछना है
सर? वो एथिक और सॉफ्ट स्किल और वो टेक, तीनों में से एक एक लेना पड़ेगा ना?
तीनों में से एक ना नहीं, मैंडेटरी है, जो मैंडेटरी है लेना पड़ेगा। अभी इस साल करो, दूसरा साल करो, तुमको लेना करना ही पड़ेगा।
अरे नहीं, मैं बोल रहा एक बार में तीनों में से एक लेना पड़ेगा कि पूरे सेमेस्टर में आराम से एक एक करके कर सकते हैं?
कुछ भी एक एक करके कर सकते हो, बट दैट बास्केट शुड बी देयर, दैट मींस यू हैव टू गो फॉर ethics, MOOCs, and those three, whatever the I can't remember right now. You have to, in your 4-year career, you have to go for that course at least one.
Each one.
सर्टिफिकेट कब सबमिट करेंगे सर?
तुमको जल्दी क्या है प्रिंस, तुम घर में बैठो, शांति से पढ़ाई करो, ठीक है? बोल ले, ओके?
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, थैंक यू एवरीवन। क्या सुनते भाई?
ফারাক স্যার বলেছিল যে যখন এনপিটিএল এ এনরোল করব তখন এআইএমএল টা মেনশন করতে, ওটা কি করে করব আবার? মানে এনরোল তো অলরেডি হয়ে গেছি।
ঠিক আছে, অসুবিধা নেই, যদি না পারো কি করবে, রি-এন্ট্রি করতে পারো, অসুবিধা নেই, নেক্সট মেল আইডি চাইবে, দ্যাটস অল।
স্যার আরেকটা ডাউট আছে,
if you have two mail id you can go for that one also, simple as that. Okay, okay, my point is that thank you everyone, so enjoy your Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. See you in the
Same to you, sir.
Same to you, sir. Merry Christmas.
Monday. See you in Monday. Maybe I can alter the class maybe to next 11. The class is in the second. Maybe we can go for the third. I'll check that one. I'll inform you via mail. And maybe on that week I will not give you much pressure, so that you can enjoy the list of the holiday in the second half. But as a process, as you have not read for the last 1 year or 2 years properly, so maybe the morning class will happen. You can enjoy your class, you can take your class from every year. Maybe some of you will go for the vacation. Don't worry, I will not give you that much pressure. Just be careful that whatever I am giving you for that 1 hour, just listen the class with headphone or any other way. Okay, thank you so much.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Nice week.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
Merry Christmas.